What's up guys, in this video I will show you a 3D cutting edge virtual gaming platform that is built on Unreal 5 and it's offering AAA graphics. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of Sachi. Link to this will be in the description of the video. Now, as the first ever Unreal Engine 5 project to use pixel streaming, it is providing unmatched accessibility, allowing users to play for free on any device with an internet connection. So Sachi's mission, guys, is to blend social and gaming elements, and it creates an engaging environment where players can interact, compete, and win real prizes without spending any money. So with classic games like Blackjack, you have Relay, and users can actually learn strategies with AI NPCs and showcase their progress through custom characters. So guys, Sachi stands out by enhancing traditional iGaming experience and innovating rather than inventing, and improving overall excitement in the industry of social gaming. Now guys, integrating with Web3 enables users to earn NFTs and tokens, adding another layer of value for this game. Now players can even cash out for real world prizes, which further elevates the platform's appeal, and already at $800,000 has been raised in a private sale, which actually demonstrates a strong support for the project. So the platform is entirely custom coded with the help of world-class architects, which ensures high-quality handcrafted experience. Let me show you this one, guys. So if you click on documents, it will take you to this. Now I'm going to be playing that trailer and it's going to show you a whole lot of things and will give you a better look or idea on what the Sachi game is. So this actually has a lot of very helpful information that will help you make informed decision and will let you know what you're getting yourself into. There's a lot of information. I will leave it all up to you guys. You can go back to this one and read through all those texts. Now, let me go ahead and show you this one, guys. All right, play the trailer. All right, here it is.
Welcome to Sachi, the next generation social casino. Immerse yourself in a world of Asian luxury and breathtaking
super nice,
where the worlds of video gaming and iGaming collide for a truly captivating experience. Seamless any device access with no downloads and waiting will allow you to feel pure gaming without missing a moment. Gather with
like you're there. I mean, you're walking around finding a table.
Mode allows you to join your friends in playing favorite table games and creating unforgettable gaming experiences. Explore VIP areas and connect in community lounges scattered across the island. Personalize your unique avatar with limitless customization options. Indulge in endless entertainment.
Look at that. It's like a metaverse.
Live shows,
virtual gaming.
Feel the thrill of our original PvP crash game.
Oh,
from mysterious dungeons.
Look at that. There's PvP as well.
Introducing innovative game mechanics for a truly unique experience. Defeat your opponents and cash out your prize. Discover a collection of your favorite slot games, from timeless classics to latest hits. Who knows, maybe your next jackpot is just a spin away. All this and more, only at Sachi Universe.
Now guys, I don't know, but that is actually a very promising project game out there, and I would again guys strongly suggest that you go ahead and check this one out, because again, this is top notch and Sachi is on the path to revolutionizing the iGaming world with a working demo already, guys. You could go ahead and check that one out, and the plans to launch the full game by the end of 2024. So by combining blockchain-based token, regulatory flexibility, and gamified social environment, Sachi is aiming to set a new standard in the gaming industry. So you gotta go ahead and check this one out, guys. I mean, this might be the best virtual social gaming that is AAA, and it's like a metaverse to me, right? You're in that venue, you're gonna be roaming around, finding the table that you would like, finding the game that you like, even have PvP games there already. I mean, this is not just your ordinary virtual social gaming project. This is something else, and this is a very promising project that you guys need to go ahead and check out. So Go ahead and check this one out, guys. We will put all the necessary and important links in the description of the video. That way you could do your own research. Make sure to do it quickly. That way when this one goes live, you could go ahead and check this one. You could even try out the demo if it's available. That way you would have a feel on how the game is played. That way when it goes live, you could go ahead and play the actual real game already. All right. So you already have decided that this is something that you would pursue once this goes live. So again, guys, we discussed Sachi. I showed you a quick presentation or a quick video, the teaser that you guys could go ahead and access. It will also be in the link of this video. That way you could watch it during your own time when you're doing your own research. And guys, of course, if you are new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.